mechanical contact lens. Same pa rin naman na 8 to 10 usually Wednesday ang schedule for lecture. As for section 2, Wednesday din siya na Wednesday morning. Section 1, usually ang laboratory schedules ninyo will be from Thursday, 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. and Friday na 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sa section 2 naman, section 2, Thursday ng 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. and Friday ng 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. naman siya. So this will be important sa the next coming days kasi those are yung usual scheduled times na pwede kayong mamasyente dun sa polyclinic. Okay, I think wala pa naman wala naman nang hindi pa naka-enroll. Kasi you're already 42 na here in total. Okay, so I'll start with presenting lang muna yung quiz natin. So I think most of you, ang isang nyo ulit dito is not following your instructions. So, yung first, these are just 2 questions naman. This is a multifactorial disease of the ocular surface characterized by a loss of homeostasis of the tear film and accompanied by ocular symptoms in which tear film instability and hyperosmolarity, ocular surface inflammation and damage, and neurosensory abnormalities play important roles. So, wait lang ha. Okay. So that's dry eye disorder, dry eye disease, or dry eyes. Possible din na keratoconjunctivitis sicca, dry eye syndrome. That's also That also. Okay. So the next question is yung 3 layers of the tear film. So wala naman akong sinabing order here. So this one is correct. Lipid, mucin, aqueous, that's also correct. Mucin layer. Charot. Okay. Mucin layer, lipid layer, aqueous layer. Lipid later. Okay. So let's see. Okay, some of you got a lot naman for So for the others, medyo around the middle naman. Okay. So let's start dun sa na lang natin. I'll be presenting yung topic natin for today. Should be